Sorry about that. That was just a message. Okay, we're going on a... Sorry. Hello. We're gonna go on an elevator, which is... This is an elevator. Oh, come on. Did they just turn on the fan already? They finally turned on the fan. I don't know if you guys hear the hydraulic properly because the fan's on. Here we go. This is our original. Ow, I just bumped on it. Sorry. Oh my. What a shame this lift is not bad. I can't believe they just turned the fan. Alright, going on the platform 2 lift now. That fan is just loud. They finally do. Why would they just activate that fan? Time for number 2. This is platform 2 lift. And that is a messy roof. Look at how messy it is. Coming down. I just don't know why they just turned on the fan again. They just turned on the fan just to make everyone annoyed. It's one of our common lifts. I reckon B will be it better. Dude, these fans have been activated for years. Like the only platform 2 lifts haven't been activated, but only platform 1. Hear the hydraulic of this one too. OG. I mean, it's not OG, it's just original. It is common looking sense. Pretty common. Pretty common. Sorry. I've set a timer. It's just for the washing that at the laundromat. Let's go. Let's pass through. Here we are. Come on. Is it? Oh, they don't even have the light on anymore. Come on. I don't know. We're going down. Pretty common sense of why this lift is just so... Oh, the gap. The hidden gap. I think it's expanded. Expanded. Nah, is it lasagna? Alright. Subscribe to my channel. Subscribe.